Good evening to everyone. Myself Rajan and I am team leader of Code Ninja. So here is our prototype of website which is the AI power rail mother complaint system. So first we have a chatbot which is present here, and if the user click then it will pop out. So this chatbot will present here. We can test it on localhost. After this successfully testing, we deploy it on our main website. So first I have a cleanness concern, so it asks for PN number, so I enter the PN number, and if I submit the PN number, then it asks for seat number. So I have entered here seat number, CN, and submit it. I am in car, so it is noted our seat number is this, track our it track our location which is near Sivan Junction coming towards Chhabra Junction. We will ensure means this give us we will solve your problem at Chhabra Junction, and we are at near Sivan Junction and going towards Chhabra Junction. So if I more needs of chatbot, then click on yes and no. So click on no. So this is our chatbot which is integrated here after few days, and here is if the complaints are hard, then we fill it manually. So first enter the PN number and enter Sivan, enter the junction Sivan and seat number and category of complaint. So I can write here who is verified. So if I submit the complaint, then I have provided a reference number. This and your complaints and our Chhapra Junction is the nearest railway station where the complaints are submitted. Where the complaints are submitted in their database and where ML algorithm sends the complaint to a specific person. So if here is the reference number. If I copy the reference number and check it on here, control V and check status. So it's a our complaint ID is category is details and status processing. So our complaints are submitted to the nearest database. So how the database look like mm, before 25 and now the 27 total complaints. So it is the pie chart. I complained the one before the recording the video. So that's why here is 27 after 25. And here is the pie chart to visualize easily by admin. If the admin are sitting at the database, and here is the number of complaints coming through dates, means which dates how many complaints are come. So you can here point here and see the 8th September 2024 number complaint is 6, and 18th September 2024 number complaints is 2. So it is that, and here is resolution rate over time. Till now no complaints are solved, that's why here is the where here it shows 0%, and here is the word cloud, the most important thing of database. So here is the word cloud where the most common word from the complaints are noted. So if I see that here is road, staff, train. With the help of word cloud, railway authority can solve the complaint and normal problem easily with saying in word cloud what the most common complaint are come. So see here is our date 18/9/24. So our complaint it is food is very bad resolved nahi, not resolved till now. Station Sivan sheet number is. So ML algorithm share it by WhatsApp and messaging. And if the normal people, yeah, human staff of railway can want to share, then it click on share by WhatsApp. So it redirect to API of WhatsApp, and here I click continue to chat and in WhatsApp data, because we have not the WhatsApp app, we use WhatsApp. So here our where I send the complaint is come. So now the railway admin can share the complaint to a specific person who solve the problem when the train arrive the station. So this is our prototype model. So we are work hard to make it more easier to everyone and more enhance it. So thank you.